Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be talking about something that might already be a staple for you, especially around the holidays. This is Betty Crocker Delight's Super Moist Spice Cake Mix. You just be sure to check my video description for some more information. So the reason actually that I bought this was I was on Facebook and someone had posted that there was this easy 2-ingredient pumpkin muffin recipe. And I was like, oh, that sounds interesting. Two ingredients. I'm like, what is this? So I looked it up and it is spice cake mix and pumpkin puree. A can of pumpkin puree and this, and that's it. Then I got to looking a little bit more because my mom and my aunt recently went totally vegan. They went from vegetarian to vegan. And sometimes with baked goods and stuff, luckily it's becoming a little easier, but it can be hard to find things that are vegan or not to make things. It's not hard to make things that are vegan, but I was surprised, actually pleasantly surprised to learn that a lot of boxed cake mixes are vegan already. And then you could just make them with the vegan eggs and butter and stuff like that. But when I heard this was only 2 ingredients, I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. I have to try it. And I love pumpkin. So this is the spice cake mix, which some of you guys may purchase already. It's kind of hard to buy if it's not like close to the fall or like the holidays. They don't always have it on the shelves. And then you get a can of pumpkin puree, and that's how you make those muffins. Of course, that's just one thing. So if you guys are vegan and you like pumpkin muffins, that's one thing that you can make with this. But of course, the list goes on. You can make a ton of cakes and stuff like that. So Betty Crocker Delight Super Moist Spice Cake Mix. There's pudding in the mix. This is why I chose to go for this one, because it's a little bit creamier and richer than the other spice cake mixes on the market, because it does have the pudding in there. This is a 15.25 ounce container, and the flavor is delicious, and you can make so many fun different things with it. So we have all the ingredients listed here: the flour, sugar, corn syrup, leavening, palm oil, cornstarch, General Mills product. So, okay, I'm going to go to the back here. Time to bake. Tells you heat oven to 350 for shiny metal or glass pan, or 325 for non-stick pan. Grease bottom of 13x9 pan, or bottom and sides of all other pans. Mix cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl with mixer on medium speed, or you could just mix it yourself. I do not have a mixer currently. And then bake as directed in chart, or until toothpick inserted in center comes out clean. Cool 10 minutes before removing from pan. Cool completely before frosting. So you can make like a nice cake with it, with like a cream cheese frosting, a vanilla frosting. Oh my goodness, especially during the holidays. This is delicious, and it tells you what to use with it. 1 cup water, half a cup vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. If you're vegan, you could sub those regular eggs out for the vegan ones, which is like the Just Egg or whatever. There's other brands too. And for that spice cake mix with the muffins that I was telling you about, so you would just mix the 1 can of pumpkin puree with this box. Heat oven to 350 for shiny metal or glass pan, or 325 for the non-stick pan. And you would cook it the same way that you would just cook the regular cake. So you would bake it for the bake time. So if it's a 13 by 9 inch pan, 28 to 33 minutes. 2 8-inch rounds, 28 to 33 minutes. 2 9-inch rounds, 24 to 29 minutes. Bundt cake, 38 to 43. Cupcakes makes 24, 12 to 17 minutes. So I would be making muffins. So for that muffin recipe with the 2 ingredients, you would be baking it for 12 to 17 minutes and making sure that toothpick comes out nice and clean. And then you could do like a vanilla frosting on it. That would be delicious. It's really good. So this is the box of the Super Moist Cake Mix as we're coming into fall. And I'm so excited because it's my favorite season in the world. This is just such a great thing to have, you know, for holidays. Make that cake, muffins, cupcakes for the kids. It's just a really fun way to have like those different spices, cinnamon flavors in there. And it's definitely one of my favorites. So guys, this was the Betty Crocker Delights Super Moist Spice Cake Mix. Very versatile and delicious. I hope you guys found my video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a like or a comment. Thanks, guys, and have an excellent day.